The Presidential Election Petition Court resumes sitting to hear the petitions of the Labour Party and the People's Democratic Party, challenging the victory of President Bola Tinubu at the presidential election. The presidential candidate of the Labour Party, Mr. Peter Obi, is present alongside some members of the party to witness the day's proceedings. Lawyers patiently wait in the field courtroom for the commencement of the sitting. The five-man panel of justices arrive and call the first case for the day. On the Labour Party's petition, the justices asked the party to present proof that it served INEC resident electoral commissioners in the 36 states and the FCC summons to provide electoral documents, following persistent calls that the electoral body was deliberately frustrating its case. The five-member panel says it's clear that the Labour Party never issued subpoenas on the resident electoral commissioners in the state, where it is seeking documents. Counsel to Labour Party Levi Uzwaku had informed the court that INEC chairman Mahmood Yakubu had given his commitment that all electoral documents will be made available on demand from the recs. But the court stated that the party did not explore Section 74 of the Electoral Act, which states that they must, on demand, provide documents within 14 days to the said party or pay a fine of 2 million naira or imprisonment, or both for defaulters. The court says it's clear that the party didn't lodge a complaint on the delay of the document and has also failed to apply the penalty clause as stipulated in Section 74. Meanwhile, under cross-examination for the party, a witness, Clarissa Oga, who is a staff of Amazon, admitted to being caught in her own capacity. She says there was no technical glitch on the INEC server during the presidential election. She, however, admits that glitches can occur at any time while using the Amazon software and application. The court stood on its proceedings and reconvened at 2 p.m. At the resumed hearing, the presidential candidate of the People's Democratic Party, Atiku Abubakar, and his party told the court that they will close the case challenging the declaration of President Bola Tinubu as a winner of the presidential election on Thursday. According to a pre-hearing report, the petitioners were supposed to close the case on Tuesday, but the lead counsel, Chris Uche, brought to the notice of the court that they lost 2 days out of the days allotted to them and asked that the days be returned to them. The petitioners have so far called 25 witnesses out of the 100 witnesses they proposed. He says they might call additional 5 witnesses to have a round figure 30 witnesses called. The counsel to PDP says that some of the documents to be tendered in the remaining 2 days will take the place of the remaining 70 witnesses. The five-member panel of justices, led by Justice Haruna Samani, adjourned till Wednesday, June 21, for continuation of hearing in the petitions.